Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So as many of you may know by now, Samsung's Unpacked event is literally right around the corner. About 2.5 weeks from now, July 9th is the date. And that is for Samsung's new upcoming foldable device, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. As we all know, I mean, the Z Fold 6 was last year, so it only makes sense that the Z Fold 7 is this year. It's supposed to be their thinnest, most sexiest, most powerful foldable device that they have made. I am personally really excited for this foldable device. I've always loved Samsung foldable devices. You know, every year that they come out, they make them better and better. This year, it's supposed to be a lot better than last year's, but I don't know, we'll see. I personally try to stay away from all of the leaks. There are tons of leaks out for this device, but you know, I want to be excited when they do announce this device and, you know, show everything officially at the event. So I try to stay away from all the leaks. Of course, you know, it's impossible to stay away from all of them. So yeah, I have seen some here and there, but for the most part, you know, I just want to be excited for this device, you know, when they first, you know, finally officially announce it. And I will be there at the event live covering it all here on the channel. I'll be covering the device here on the channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the videos I have coming for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now, my reason for this video is to let you all know that starting right now, I have a link down in the description below, the pinned comment. You can now reserve your pre-order for the Z Fold 7 and anything else that might be announced the day of Unpacked. Like I said, July 9th. Right around the corner. Now, there is no commitment to pre-order anything that will be announced. This is just basically just to reserve your pre-order. So if the time comes, you know, you watch the event, you do find yourself interested in the phone, you're like, you know what, I do want to pre-order this, you will have your spot saved there. All you're doing is just signing up and that's it. No commitment is necessary. You're just signing up. Like I said, if you change your mind, you don't have to do anything. And there is a reserve pre-order deal. So now if you do reserve now, you will get $50 in Samsung credit and up to $1,150 in additional savings. Plus, you will also be entered into a sweepstakes for a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung credit. That's crazy, $5,000. So if you want to be able to take advantage of this pre-order deal and also be, you know, entered into the sweepstakes for a chance to win $5,000 in Samsung credit, I urge you to go ahead and hit that link in my description or the pinned comment and reserve your pre-order now. Just reserve your spot. Like I said, no commitment is necessary. If you find you don't want to pre-order it, hey, just don't do anything at all. But if you do want to pre-order it when the time comes, your spot will be there and you don't have to worry about them going out of stock or anything because you'll be one of the first ones that gets to pre-order these new devices. So y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Who is excited for the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and possibly anything else that might be announced that day? Let me know down in the comments, what are you most looking forward to when it comes to that device? I mean, Samsung has just put, you know, leaks, I wouldn't say leaks, but kind of teaser ads, you know, here and there, back to back on their socials, you know, of people looking in the box and talking about how thin it is and how nice it looks and all that. So I don't know, when the event time comes, we will see officially what this device is going to look like and what it is going to be capable of and what it's going to offer. But again, leave your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Again, the links will be in the description and the pinned comment so you can reserve your pre-order. Do not miss out on that. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come, especially all of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 videos that I'm going to have coming here on the channel. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace.